Okay, we're here with Casey. We just installed 2 brand new openers. When I picked him up today, he had these chains completely installed with his feet. And we just programmed them. All right, Casey, come on, show him. We got to do a test. Here, show him your opener. Your opener's right here. Okay, we got to do a test. Casey's garage door installation. Okay, we got to do a test. Show them how we got to do a test. Make sure we got it lined up right. Yep. This is crazy. Okay, now do this test. We get it? Yep. Perfect. First try, baby. Give him toes up, Casey. Good guy. Toes up. First try. Let's go.